Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the zoom tool on Adobe Illustrator. So you can either click this magnifying glass button, or another way to get to the zoom button is if you just press the Z key. It changes to the zoom tool. And it's basically really easy to use it. So if you click, let me just zoom out 1 second. So if you click, 1 second. So if you click in, if you just click it, then it zooms in. I'm just clicking right now. As you can see, this number down here is increasing. If I keep clicking, and now it's on 64,000% zoom. And so that's basically how you zoom in. Now I'm just going to zoom back out again. Okay. Now, if you start on the left side of the screen and drag your mouse to the right, it zooms in. But if you start on the right and drag your mouse to the left, and you can keep dragging your mouse to the left, and it zooms out. But if you keep dragging your mouse to the right, it keeps zooming. It keeps zooming in. So yeah, it's zooming in. But if I bring it back to, so if you drag it to the right, it zooms in. If you drag it to the left, it zooms out. So that's basically how it works. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right below this video. And and make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. And goodbye. See you in my next